There was a recent comment on my GP100 disassembly video about someone having difficulty releasing the trigger group from the frame. This little round thing here, right there, that's the latch. It has to be pushed forward to release the trigger group from the frame. Yes, it is very stiff, but you can use your restrained mainspring group as a lever. Obviously, you've cleared the weapon first, removed the entire grip assembly and the hammer and its pin. Then you take your mainspring guide rod, which is quite good steel, and you lever it in there. Press the latch. Nothing to it. The same comment also had a question about the cylinder. Once the trigger group is removed, the cylinder group comes out of the frame. Using a better tool this time. Through this hole in the top of the crane, you have to depress the internal plunger. That will release this cross pin, which in turn releases the forward cylinder latch and its little plunger and spring, and then the ejector rod can be removed. Now this ejector rod puts these two small ball bearings, one on either side. It makes them move outward to engage an internal recess here to keep the cylinder onto the crane. Rather kind of like a Heckler & Koch roller locking system. And that's how the cylinder is removed from the crane. I hope this helps.